Hi guys, Danielle here and welcome back to my channel. Now I know you guys probably wondering why I have this bonnet on and why I'm looking so crazy, but that's because that's exactly what it is. I look crazy. So remember in my last video how I had that bun tutorial and how I show you guys how I do a fake bun and then I slipped all that gel and stuff on it? Well, it lasted for about a week, but now my hair looked crazy. I had to take that bun out of my head because the middle of my hair was itching like crazy. So I'm going to take this bonnet out because I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like now. And let me just warn you guys, it's a complete mess. Like, my hair just looks so freaking crazy. This is what my hair looks like. It looks crazy. And I took the bun out last night because my hair was itching so bad. Like, I don't think you guys understand how bad it was itching. I was just scratching it for dear life, and I just had to take that bun out. So just today I let it breathe before I washed it, and it feels great now. Oh my god, like you know how like your eyes roll back when you start scratching your hair? That's how that feels. It feels so relieving to just get that bun out of my head. So now I'm just going to go wash my hair, and I will see you guys when I get back. Okay guys, so I am back. So I washed my hair, conditioned it, and I blow dried it out so you guys can see what my hair looks like when it's long, because I don't think that I showed you guys my hair after I done growed it out for a while. Well, I did stretch it out in my last video, but this is it blown out, or me attempting to blow it out, because it was just too much. So yeah, so now I'm just going to braid my hair up on basically how I braid my hair when I'm wearing my wigs. So yeah.
I'm not the most pretty. I'll never ever sing like Whitney. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But I still wanna dance with somebody. So let's let all of us lead till they turn to us. Gonna leave it all, 'cause it's dangerous. No, I don't wanna play ball. I just wanna dance with somebody. 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 It could be anybody. Tell me how you got somebody. Don't know who you are. Just let me away. I just wanna dance with somebody. I just wanna dance with somebody. I'm sorry, I'm not the most pretty. I'll never ever sing like Whitney.
For somebody, pop up a stand for somebody. Every time she dances, excited. Don't put your bands on, get tired. I'm the guy, I just wanna party. Got to be room for guys. Got to be room on the private. I know about it inside, outside. Yeah. Just go through before I sign up. Can't dance, but kinda. Yeah, be right behind the smile. We can turn this dance floor to a dollar. I just wanna dance with somebody. I just wanna dance with somebody. It could be anybody. Tell me how you got somebody. Just let me away. I just wanna dance with somebody. I just wanna dance with somebody. Bye.